Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install water purifier. Firstly, install the purifier horizontally on a flat, dry surface. Do not rely on plumbing connections alone. For support, use mounting clips, brackets or stand to secure up the purifier. Place a drain pan under the UV purifier and connect the pan to a free-flowing drain to avoid overflows. This step adds extra protection in case of unexpected leaks. Install the purifier in a well-lit dry area and leave at least one chamber length, 6 inches of space on the opposite end and 18 inches of the clearance from the floor. Install a convenient location with easy access for maintenance and double-check all connections for a secure and leak-free setup. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.